won't believe the creativity that's used by Jeff Abbott, production director at Christ Church located here in lovely Hickory, North Carolina. He created a phenomenal Christmas display without embracing typical holiday looks. Working closely with Google Sketchup, they pinpointed exactly how this idea would materialize into reality. You see this amazing concept named Christmas Ain't Your Birthday. Talks promptly began coming together once he found half-finished 2x4 planks and laid the Davis projector, bringing debut nation crazy solutions, focusing plans delight. Everything so work done was about 260 sure Sunday hang-ups before that end came alive. Then, according to blog records tell, that entire process involved way over 250 12's little strands within the lights being ruled in part by 13 DAX controllers, which is quite intensive, yet it did bring what everyone totally wanted: lots awesome. As per technical aspect trees, mainly created from uncut wood as cited earlier, 1.5 diameter 1 position 9/8 inches small stuff wooden draw rods, also half-inch diameters ones were handled fine, put together with sort of sturdy hold help. Drill press taken advantage of since Jeff decided he couldn't afford damaged pieces during cutting holes, so extended handle reached better areas where actual 2x4. Though all this work seems much harder, knowing most can actually just learn simple techniques to make things big plus easier than expected. Indeed, to get that on floor around structures, always a major priority for the workers, hanging over 60 streams lights taking pairs within channel controlled 24 hours. This is what we do here each week at Christ Church, building inspiring experiences and spreading hope through simple experiences, events, celebrations. The cost was roughly $1,700. It is described throughout these blogs' descriptions, which also includes images, which is really detailed, making easy to review. Well, I'm quite excited you watched. Before flipping away, be sure subscribe now, let me know and comment, because new amazing church displays videos will truly inspire those who believe creating spark love never fade out with our wonderful, helpful, engaging content. Have an incredible day, all of us. Since your friend from Youth Church TV, every step encourage creativity and the best things that transform everything into their highest form always. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.